Hello guys, today we will study the next example in the series of ethics examples. So पहला एग्जाम्पल है श्री गुरु प्रसाद महापात्रा. He died during the work in COVID-19. So our honorable Prime Minister said that he was a true karma yogi. So his name is very important. The dedicated civil servant. And next example is Irendra Laichongbom. He was arrested under NSA. So it's a very severe National Security Act for alleged questioning of cow dung and urine's utility in COVID-19 treatment. So he just questioned this on social media, and on that he was arrested under NSA. In the intervention, Supreme Court said that he should be immediately released, and because it is his fundamental right to express his own views. So it's a fundamental right, and Supreme Court is bound to protect the fundamental right of all the citizens of our country. The next example is Gobind Singh. यहाँ पर केस क्या है कि he was a husband of BSP MLA, so he was given bail by the lower court. But Supreme Court denied the bail and said there should not be two parallel systems for poor and rich. So both should be treated equally, and held that the lower court's judgment was a grave error. So basically, Supreme Court is correcting lots of judgments, and so it is very important that Supreme Court's intervention in cases like these. Supreme Court is very important in our country. बिकने को तैयार नहीं, लूटने को तैयार नहीं. These are the slogan of trafficked girls against the trafficking. इन दैट सिनारियो एक हमारे पास एक एनेक्डोट है जिसमें एक सीता नाम की लड़की है जो कि असम से है, एंड उसको 20,000 रुपये में ट्रैफिक किया जाता है ऑन द प्रीटेक्स्ट ऑफ जॉब प्लेसमेंट. बट उसको जॉब वॉब नहीं मिलती, कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है. बट शी वॉज रेप्ड, री-ट्रैफिक्ड एंड रेप्ड. आफ्टर 2-3 years she was found in Delhi, and when the authorities she was found behind a wall crying. So when authorities was calling her, she said that she cannot come out, she is impure now, she wants to kill herself. So these were the words of that girl, and this was narrated by an official. So this is the scenario where girls are trafficked and exploited and raped in our country. 13-year-old girl from Assam. For that, there is a bill which is tabled in Parliament in recent times. The Trafficking in Persons Prevention, Care and Rehabilitation Bill 2021. This bill seeks to check and balance against the misuse of power and periodic review of the law, funds for effective implementation. So these are these are basically challenges of this law. There is very less effective checks and balance, periodic review भी नहीं होते हैं लॉज में, और फंड्स फॉर इफेक्टिव इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के लिए भी अवेलेबल नहीं होते हैं. सो ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. इन जनरल ये सारी पॉलिसीज़ की प्रॉब्लम होती है, बट इस लॉ में भी है. 2 वुमेन पुलिस ऑफिसर, इन्होंने एक खतरनाक गैंगस्टर काला जठेदी इसको अरेस्ट किया, काला जठेदी को. सो ही वॉज बोथ वर प्रेज्ड, प्रीति सांगवान एंड नीतू सिंधु. Preeti Sangwan and Neetu Sindhu. Delhi rape case where 9-year-old raped and killed and cremated without the consent of family, just like the Hathras case. And the apathy is that the SC/ST case were not registered against the uh, perpetrators, because she was Dalit as well. Many times the police officials do not register case under SC/ST because it's a very stringent and powerful act. So the only POCSO is applied here. 14-year-old girl died while labor in Zimbabwe. So here this shows that in world there are lack of empathy towards the young girls. So there is an issue of child labor, and then child marriage, and then getting pregnant and the early ages, and then contributing to MMR, maternal mortality rate. UN slammed child marriage, so UN strongly slammed this act. Terrorism killed 51 civilians in Mali. So this is the example of Martin Luther Jr. said once said that injustice and anywhere is said to justice everywhere. So terrorism is kind of that injustice. It is happening in Mali. It will affect the entire world, the peace and the stability. K. Rajitha, so she is a very poor athlete, and uh, she is fighting against all odds, and she won the 4 into 400 relay race. This is a very unique example. Mathur Panchayat in Kerala. Here the work culture reforms are happening. Work culture, such as sir मैडम की जगह पे ये लोग elder brother, elder sister like चेता चेची और by name they will call by name. I request के स्थान पे I request के जगह पे I demand, I desire, these were the words they will use in applications. So people are supreme authority. These are establishing that the people are the extreme authority, just like we the people of India in preamble. Social and emotional learning is not part of our new education policy. This is a criticism on new education policy. There is a concept called Chai Tokutai in Japan, whereby the social responsibility is one of the important aspect of education. In India, it is not. It is found in Vietnam and the California as well. There is a saying in Bible that put your sword back in its place, because who take up sword will perish by sword. Meaning those who will use the violence will be perished by the violence. So गांधी जी ने भी इसके ऊपर कहा है कि an eye for an eye will make the whole world blind. And there are a lot of other quotations for the non-violence and violence. So this is used in respect of Tehreek-e-Labbaik, Pakistan. It was trained by ISI, and now it is causing threat to the stability and peace and stability of Pakistan itself. So this is the right example of this quote, Tehreek-e-Labbaik. पॉक्सो जज जो कि रेप केसेस में जजमेंट वगैरह देते हैं, वो खुद ही सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट में इन्वॉल्व हैं. दिस इज़ अ डाइकोटमी और द हिपोक्रेसी ऑफ आवर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम. that how they can give the transparent and the objective judgment. One ACB, anti-corruption bureau officer also.